This is the building.
Finally! I'm so tired. That was a long trip.
Me too. But look, the building looks nice.
Yes, it does. I can't wait to rest.
Let me check the code. The host sent it yesterday.
What code?
The door code. We need it to get in.
Oh, I see. So we don't use a key?
No key, just a code. It's easier. Okay, the code is 5739.
5739. Got it.
I'm typing it now. 5739.
Did it work?
No, the light is red.
Red means no.
Yes, red means the code is wrong.
Maybe you typed it too fast?
Let me try again. 5739. Slowly this time.
Is it working?
No, still red.
Oh no. What do we do now?
I don't know. This is strange.
Maybe the code is old?
Maybe. Let me check my phone.
Good idea.
Wait, I have a message from the host. Oh, the host sent a new code this morning.
A new code? Why didn't we see it?
I didn't check my messages. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. What's the new code?
The new code is 8246.
8246. Let's try it.
Here we go. 8246.
Green light. It worked.
Yes, we can go in now.
Which floor is our room?
Third floor, room 302.
Third floor. Okay. Let's take the elevator.
The elevator's over there.
I see it. Come on.
I'm so excited. I hope the room is nice.
Me too. The photos looked beautiful.
Yes, I saw a big bed and a clean kitchen.
I can't wait to take a shower.
Here it is, room 302.
Finally, open the door, Sam.
The host said. The door is unlocked.
Unlocked? What does that mean?
It means the door's not locked. We can just push it open.
Oh, I understand. So we don't need a key?
Right, no key. Just push.
That's easy. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm opening it now.
Oh no.
What is this?
The room is a mess.
A mess? What does mess mean?
A mess means dirty and not clean. Everything is everywhere.
Oh, yes, you're right. This is a mess.
Look at the bed. The sheets are dirty.
And there's food on the table.
I can't believe this.
Me neither. This is not okay.
Sam, come here.
What's wrong?
The bathroom is dirty too.
How dirty?
Very dirty. There's hair in the sink.
Hair in the sink?
Yes, and the toilet's not clean.
This is terrible.
What do we do?
I don't know. I feel so bad.
I'm so tired. I just want to rest.
I know, me too.
But we can't stay here. It's too dirty.
You're right, we can't stay.
What should we do?
We need to call the host.
Call the host? What do we say?
We tell them about the problem.
I'm nervous. I don't like calling people.
It's okay, I'll call. You don't have to worry. Hello, is this Emma? The host?
Yes, this is Emma. Hi. How can I help you?
Hi, Emma. This is Sam. I'm at room 302.
Oh, Sam, welcome. Is everything okay?
Actually, no. We've a problem.
A problem? What happened?
The room's not clean. It's a mess.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Can you explain more?
The bed is dirty. There's food on the table. The bathroom's not clean.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. But we don't know what to do.
This is my fault. The cleaning person didn't come today.
The cleaning person?
Yes, the person who cleans the room. They didn't show up.
I see. So it's not your fault.
Well, I should have checked. I'm very sorry.
Mistakes happen. It's okay.
Thank you for understanding. Let me fix this for you.
How can you fix it?
I've two options for you.
2 options? What are they?
Option 1, I can give you a full refund.
A refund? What does refund mean?
A refund means I give your money back. All of it.
Oh, so we get our money back?
Yes, every dollar or euro. Whatever you paid.
I understand. What's option 2?
Option 2. I can give you a different room. A better room.
A better room? In the same building?
Yes, room 405. It's bigger and much cleaner.
That sounds great. Can I ask you something?
Of course. Ask me anything.
What should I say when I have a problem like this?
Good question. You can say, "There's a problem with my room."
There's a problem with my room.
Exactly. Say it again.
There's a problem with my room.
Perfect. That's very useful. You can use it anywhere.
Thank you, that helps a lot. Mia, Emma taught me something useful.
What is it?
When we've a problem, we can say, there's a problem with my room.
There's a problem with my room.
Yes, say it again.
There's a problem with my room.
Great, now you can use it too.
I feel better now. That's easy to remember.
Emma offered us 2 options.
2 options? What are they?
Option 1's a refund. We get our money back.
And option 2?
Option 2's a better room. Room 405.
Which one should we choose?
I think option 2. I'm too tired to find a new place.
Me too. Let's take the better room.
Okay, I'll tell Emma.
I can't believe we did it.
Did what?
We solved the problem. In English! Wow, this room is beautiful.
Yes, much better than room 302.
The bed looks so clean.
And the bathroom is perfect.
I'm so happy now.
Me too, let me think about what I learned today.
What did you learn?
I learned the word mess. That means dirty and not clean.
Right. And refund?
A refund means you get your money back.
And we learned there's a problem with my room.
Yes, that's very useful. I'll remember that.
I feel more confident now.
Me too, I'm not afraid to speak English anymore.